Welcome back to Smg Automotive. My name's Steph, and today you can see by the title and the thumbnail that I've brought a van. I have a big passion for cars and modified and all that sort of stuff. So I thought, you know what? I'm just going to jump the gun. I'm going to buy a van. I'm going to kit it out, and I'm just going to start doing it. And so far, I've owned the van for 6 days, and I brought everything that I pretty much need. All I need is a petrol generator, which is not a massive. I don't really need it at the minute, but it will be handy one day. But so far, I've got everything else. Let's show some cinematics of the van, and then we'll roll into the video. So yeah, it's a 2009 plate Renault Traffic, which is also a Vauxhall Bavaria, I think it's called. 2-litre diesel, it's done 115,000 miles. I picked it up at a really good price. It's really clean, so that's a bonus. But yeah, let's show you. The interior. We've got a radio, which I'm going to sell. Reversing camera. Yeah, DVD player, which I think I could change this. It's pretty standard here, to be honest. But yeah, let's show you in the back. So as you can see, it's pretty clean. Got a side door on the left, and we'll see the back doors. I haven't finished it yet, so I am waiting on more stuff to arrive. Need to do some wood here. Got some crappy wood here, which is really badly screwed in. It's just chunk. But this is where the petrol generator is going to go. Electric cable, which is all waterproof. I think it's 20 meters. So that'll do me really well. That's just coolant, just in case, I've only had the van for like a week. So yeah, but here's all my stuff. My wife has labelled everything for me, which is great. So you can see drying cloths, all the best, auto bright, and I use auto smart. Detailing brushes, clay bar, vinyl applicators, all the little accessories, wash mitt, wash mitt, some polishing pads. I need to secure everything a bit better, but yeah, more polishing pads, all like drill attachments, because I've got a cordless drill, which will be good for like carpets and that sort of stuff. Which is there, it's wireless. Machine polisher, I am going to upgrade that because I don't think it'd be efficient enough for what I want to use. Pretty much I'm gonna not do detailing. I'm just gonna do sort of like valeting on the side in a minute, work my other job as well. So I'll probably do like 2 valets a week, let's say, until I can save up and get like a detailing course done, because I don't want to start machine polishing people's cars but I'm not up to scratch with it, if you know what I mean. Like, I want to learn the best to then give the best, if that makes sense. But yeah, anyway, heat gun, just in case anyone wants some tints and stuff like that for the lights. Got bright gel wheel cleaner, G101, it's like a multi-purpose cleaner. Snow foam attachment for my Karcher K4, which is there. I've got some more bits coming from Auto Bright, like a small gun and stuff like that. I believe this is a Titan wet vac and hoover. 3 buckets, one's got a lid on it as well. Obviously wheels, blah blah blah. Here, it's not all finished obviously, this needs to be attached. It's just a quick hose, which is going to be really handy. I think I'm going to mount it like there. Obviously this is my water tank. Me and my mate are going to secure it tonight and put the attachment down here. More shelving here. It did have like shelving back here and here, but I got rid of it just for space. Toolbox, that's G101 again, snow foam, more chemicals there, glass cleaner from Water Bright, Fab interior cleaner, shampoo from Water Smart, loads of microfiber in there, sandpaper when I'm doing like, I'm gonna do like headlight restoring and stuff like that. Glass cloths, do need to get more of those, and shit ton of tools. So thanks for the tools, the guy I bought the van off. Got 3 big containers here, which are gonna be for water. This is a 250 litre water tank, which should be enough for 2 valets a day. But if not, then I've got obviously more water to fill up the tank. But yeah, it's, you know, 6 days since I started this journey, and I can't tell you how happy I am. I'm proper gassed about it. I can't wait. It's so hot as well today. Can't wait to start doing it. I'm gonna film. I'm doing it all legit. I'm gonna get the van sign right. I'm gonna put a quick little glance at what it's gonna look like on the screen now. But that is my van setup for now. Some other bits and bobs in here. Same over there. I've got another one for my attachments. Do need wire some LEDs in here. But the van is in pretty good condition, to be fair. It's pretty good size for anyone who wants to do valeting. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Don't forget to slap a like. Comment down below what you think of this idea that I've had. I'm gonna try and film as much footage as I can doing other people's cars, and you know, I'm gonna be learning myself and teaching you lot along the way. It does mean my E46 is up for sale. If anyone wants that, 3 grand, let me know. It's just past MOT. It's got a few little advisories which are nothing. Someone could finish it and it'd be a really cool car, but I just want to concentrate on something that I wanted to do really for years. So yeah, that's today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Like I said, subscribe to the channel, it really does help it out, and I'll see you lot on the next one. Peace.